Ever wonder how your car's engine stays clean and efficient while dealing with all that pressure and all inside? Today, we're diving into the crankcase breather, a small but critical component that plays a huge role in your engine's performance. The crankcase breather is part of your engine's positive crankcase ventilation system. It consists of a breather filter and several hoses, and takes in fresh air into the crankcase. This ensures very little vacuum is present in the crankcase. Additionally, it helps to force the blow by gases to escape through the PCV hose and valve into the engine. It usually sits on top of the valve cover, or you will find it on the breather hose that is on top of the crankcase, which is located on the side of the engine. There are going to be noticeable symptoms when you have a bad crankcase breather. An oil leak is usually a sign of a clogged filter. It may also cause a vacuum leak, which in turn causes the car to idle higher and rougher than usual. Another symptom you might notice is an occasional performance drop. It will turn on the check engine light on your dashboard and store the crankcase breather-related error codes. Short distance driving is permitted if you find these symptoms in your car, but your vehicle should be repaired ASAP. Regularly inspect the breather valve and hoses for clogs or damage. Replace the PCV valve as part of your routine maintenance, usually every 30,000 to 50,000 miles. Use high-quality oil to minimize sludge buildup. Though small, the crankcase breather is vital to your engine's health. Keeping it clean and functional ensures your car runs smoothly and efficiently for years to come. Don't overlook it. It's a simple fix that can prevent major problems down the road. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more car care tips. Let us know in the comments if you have questions or topics you'd like us to cover next.